that's interesting up there. Look, those old boys died in the Second World War and used to come to our school.
Yeah. How many names are there? Can you count them?
There's Michael Bearcroft, Edgar James Brent, Harry Cashmore, Ronald William Davison, Robert Edward Fellows, Edward Gibson, Neville Hadley, Lawson Henry Hobbs, Donald Hollies, Kenneth Warren Jones, Harold William Marshall, Stanley Mills, James Barry Parsons, Richard Vernon Sanders, Leslie Smart, William Benjamin Torrance, Richard Walker, Stanley Willits, Gwilym Willis. That's 19 in total.
I can't imagine what it must be like to go to war. I'd be scared. No, terrified.
Did you know it was 75 years since the World War II ended? Well, 75 years since victory in Europe, VE Day.
You know, we owe a lot to those that fought and died in both wars. Suppose we forget sometimes what they gave up for our freedom. Perhaps we should be more considerate and patient, considering with the whole pandemic.
Puts it into perspective, doesn't it?
You're right about that.
That's why we should wear our poppies with pride.
I'm speaking to you from the Cabinet Room at 10 Downing Street. This morning, the British Ambassador in Berlin handed the German government a final note, stating that unless we heard from them by 11 o'clock, that they were prepared at once to withdraw their troops from Poland, a state of war would exist between us. I have to tell you now that no such undertaking has been received, and consequently, this country is at war with Germany.
It's hard to imagine your dad, uncle or brother saying goodbye and then never seeing them again.
Let's take a moment to remember the heroes of World War I and World War II, those that came back and those that didn't.
John Henry Smythe, one of the first African pilots from Sierra Leone, who flew for the Royal Air Force and was shot down and captured by the Germans. Despite stealing a bicycle and trying to escape, he spent 18 months in a prisoner of war camp.
Jemmet Ram Sarup Singh, 1st Punjab Regiment, was posthumously awarded the Victoria Cross in February 1945 for its courage on 25th of October 1944. He was in charge of a platoon in Burma, which was ordered to put in a diversionary attack. He led charges until he fell mortally wounded.
They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
We will remember them.